In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Nvidia Shadowplay instant replay not working. Now what you want to do is make sure you enable overlay, head over to the overlay settings and find instant replay. Now click on this and make sure you turn this on. Now if it doesn't work, try and turn it off and then on again and see if it works. Now if this still doesn't work, what you can do is try and turn it off and head over to the settings here, enable this one and come back and turn it on, off and on. Now check if this works. If it still doesn't, what we can do is turn it off again and go to the settings. In here what we want to do is we want to make sure that we have the correct settings here. So make sure your quality and frame rate is at something that your PC can handle. If you put it at way too high, if you have a low end PC, it's not gonna work. Now if it still doesn't work, what we can try and do is we can come back once and then head over to settings up here. In here you want to find files and disk space. Now you want to make sure that your files location and your gallery location is a place that has enough storage. Now if this does not have enough storage, you can change your location right here by choosing a new one and clicking here and choosing the correct folder. If you don't have enough space on these, the instant replay will not work. So these are the ways that you can try and fix it. If for some reason it still doesn't work, I suggest you try and reinstall and see if it works then. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.